Rapid development, rapid destruction, with fossil fuels. We've paid too much to get here. Now, a whole new energy paradigm is ahead of us. However, we still have one most important question left. Can hydrogen replace diesel? The answer to this question is right here.
This was so quiet. It was powerful. I felt that it was powerful.
It's super quiet. It's very efficient. It has excellent power.
It's a lot smoother, comfortable ride. Mine shakes, rattles, and rolls, and this is just smooth, quiet. You don't hear nothing.
Well, what's great is they're quiet, they're comfortable, very different from the diesel engine.
The fuel cell technology has developed to a point where it's a real and viable option.
I could definitely see a driver falling in love with both the driving aspect as well as the technology. I think it's definitely the future.